A. She plans studying abroad next year for her studies. B. She plans to study abroad next year for her studies. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is B. To study. Plans to is used with an infinitive to express an intention or decision for the future. Studying would not be grammatically correct in this context. A. They admitted to making the mistake after reviewing the evidence. B. They admitted to make the mistake after reviewing the evidence. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. To making. Admitted to is followed by a gerund when confessing to having done something. To make would not fit grammatically in this sentence. A. He avoids answering personal questions during interviews. B. He avoids to answer personal questions during interviews. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Answering. Avoids is used with a gerund to express deliberate avoidance of an action. To answer would not be appropriate here. A. I suggest leaving early to avoid the morning rush. B. I suggest to leave early to avoid the morning rush. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Leaving. Suggest is followed by a gerund when proposing an action for someone to consider. Using an infinitive here would change the meaning. A. They agreed to meet us at the airport. B. They agreed meeting us at the airport. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. To meet. Agreed to is used with an infinitive to show consent or willingness to do something. Meeting would not be grammatically correct in this context. A. She mentioned going to Paris last summer. B. She mentioned to go to Paris last summer. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Going. Mentioned is followed by a gerund when referring to having talked about doing something in the past. To go does not fit the structure of the sentence. A. I can't imagine living without smartphones. B. I can't imagine to live without smartphones. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Living. Can't imagine is used with a gerund to express difficulty in visualizing an action or situation. To live would not be grammatically correct in this context. A. They practiced giving the presentation several times before the meeting. B. They practiced to give the presentation several times before the meeting. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Giving. Practiced is followed by a gerund when referring to the action of rehearsing or doing something repeatedly to improve. To give would not be correct here. A. We discussed taking a new approach to the project. B. We discussed to take a new approach to the project. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Taking. Discussed cannot be followed by an infinitive. It must be followed by a gerund when talking about the action in general discussion. A. She finished writing her report before the deadline. B. She finished to write her report before the deadline. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Writing. Finished is always followed by a gerund to indicate the completion of an action. To write would not be grammatically correct. A. He suggested going for a walk to clear our minds. B. He suggested to go for a walk to clear our minds. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Going. Suggested is followed by a gerund when offering an idea or advice. Using an infinitive here would imply that he proposed a formal plan or intention, which changes the informal suggestion nuance. A. They risked being late to finish the project on time. B. They risked to be late to finish the project on time. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is A. Being. Risked is followed by a gerund to express taking an action that involves risk. To be would not fit grammatically in this sentence.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.